it's me, Blake Gamer, and I'm just making a video to tell you the YouTubers I don't like that much, but they're really popular. Some of them I do like. I'll tell you which ones I like. One I don't like. Oh, I kind of like him, but PewDiePie, he is really popular on YouTube. Everyone likes him. I don't really care for him that much. I subscribe to him, but I don't really care for him that much. And another YouTuber I do like, Onision. You heard me talk about him in my other videos. And I made the I'm a Banana song. That's from Onision. And another funny video I saw, it's you should get on their channel. I liked it, and it's on my channel now. It's called I think Greatest Freakout Ever. Yeah, I liked it. It's right under this video. So you should get on there and then get on their playlist. It's funny. And another, I'm trying to think of a YouTuber. I didn't write it down on my hand or anything. I don't do that. I know a bad YouTuber. One of the worst YouTubers is William Caldwell. He's a worst YouTuber. Which you've seen him in one of my videos. That guy that was making the video with me, 10 Things We Hate About YouTube. That guy that was with me, that was Cole. That's William Caldwell. William Cole Caldwell. Everyone calls him Cole. He tries to be good at a skateboard. Oh yeah, and leave on the comments, should I cut my hair or not? Oh yeah, and Jack Clark did not make his part of the rap battle yet. So, when are you going to do that? Because I already did my half. Now it's your turn. You said in a couple days, and it's been a couple days by now. So you need to make that. You can leave in the comments if you're not going to make it, because I'd like to know if you're making it or not. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.